check this one out. This is a 1969 Camaro. One of the most iconic years for Camaros, if not the most iconic. This one has been upgraded. It's got a really nice darker red paint job here with white stripes. This is a Bleuprint crate engine, 383 stroker. It's got an Overdrive automatic. I believe it's a 700 R4. It's got a Ford 9-inch rear end. The front end's been totally rebuilt, control arm bushings and ball joints and springs. Rear end's got new leaf springs and shocks. And they did set, whoever built the car went for this rake. It's a little higher in the back than it is in the front. Gives it a really cool look. So I'm gonna hop in and fire it up. It's got some really nice aftermarket seats with headrests. Very comfortable and very adjustable. You can see it's console car. This white stripes with the white interior is a really nice addition. Let me tell you, this thing is a beast. It is a hot rod. This 383 runs very strong. See, it has the tack in the dash. It's got the gauge package down here. The shifter is really nice and tight also. And they went the extra mile. You can see it's got the overdrive there with the D with the circle, which is nice to see. Got your wipers. The horn is not working. Very typical. Does have a stereo down there. Nice stereo system. See the indicator for the brights there turns on. Left turn, right turn. Blower motor does turn on. Cables slide up and down fairly easy. The defrost is a little on the stiff side, but I can't hear it moving. All right, let's check out under the hood. All right, there you have it. There's your Bleuprint crate engine, 383 stroker. This is a really strong running motor. You can see it does have power steering. It's got power front disc brakes, and it also has rear disc brakes. So a power four-wheel disc. Engine sounds very healthy. See, it does have headers, dual exhaust. Nice sounding engine. Love that front end. That 69 front end is just so iconic. Paint and body overall is very good. I'd give it a driver plus. There are a few imperfections which I'll show you here soon. Door closes nice. that exhaust. Sounds like muscle. This vehicle is a lot of fun to drive. It is so fast with that 383 stroker at 700 R4. Really quick off the line. That 4.9" in the back just hooks the rear tires up and it goes. Also cruises nice down the highway with that overdrive. It's got a lot going for it. You can see here on the driver's side front fender there is a dent. It's not quite as noticeable in person. You really got to see it at the right angle, but it is there, so keep that in mind. And other than that, that's really the main one. You know, small little touch up right there. You know, very small rock chip right there, 2 of them. But overall, not a ton to pick at. This is the perfect weekend cruiser or daily driver. That Bleuprint crate engine is very reliable. So if you're interested in this 69 Camaro 383 Overdrive, 4.9" 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, gauges, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have 80+ high-resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage, so you can check out that front and rear suspension. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.